Let's make brownies. Delicious. Chop some dark chocolate. And then place in a bain-marie. Once melted, add the butter. When it is well blended, remove from the heat and let it cool. In the meantime, toast the hazelnuts. This will intensify their flavor. But alternatively, you can also use walnuts, pecans, almonds, or even peanuts. Now for the dough. In a bowl, add the eggs and whisk, gradually adding sugar, a little at a time. Add a pinch of salt. And once the mixture is light and frothy, it's time to add the chocolate. If you want to, this is also the time to add flavor to the dough, for example with vanilla, cinnamon, or tonka beans. Now combine the sifted cake flour and then the cocoa powder. We have finished with the whisking. Now add the hazelnuts and stir into the mixture. Place the mixture on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and smooth out with a spatula. Place in the oven on 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Once it has cooked and cooled, cut the large brownie into squares. And here they are, perfect on their own or delicious with whipped cream. Bon appétit!